Hello everyone, as you all know, the launch event of Samsung for the upcoming Galaxy S23 is right around the corner, but now the news is not just limited to the leaks anymore. I am going to show you a couple of unboxing videos as well as the upcoming S23 Ultra in action. Now you can see the full design before launch. This does put Samsung in an awkward position since the unpack event is still over a week away, but don't worry if Samsung can't keep its secrets. I won't keep this from you either, but don't be surprised if someone posts a proper review even before the device is officially announced. So let's start with the hands-on video first from the same source showing the camera of the S23 Ultra in action. In this video, you can clearly see that the zoom levels of the device are confirmed to be 100x. Sure, we cannot see the results properly, but it is nice to see that the camera trio on the new S23 Ultra is going to be great. What caught my eye is the color as well, which may look like botanic green, but it looks more grey, which means how light is reflecting on it will determine the color, just like we saw on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Anyways, it is also confirmed that the phone will be able to capture 4K in 30 FPS, and there is a 200 megapixel mode and most interestingly a cinematic video mode, where the background will be blurred in videos. While this feature was already available in the S22 Ultra, the new addition is the resolution toggle. Now this confirms that you can change the resolution to I suppose 4K, which was limited to just 1080p in the S22 Ultra. The S23 Ultra was rumored to have a better portrait video, and I guess this is what it's about, a 4K cinematic video recording experience, which now puts it alongside the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which also records 4K cinematic videos. This will now make the portrait videos on Samsung phones actually be usable, and it will be interesting to see how good and natural it is going to be. That was not all. Surprisingly, there was a proper unboxing video available which tells us a bit too much about the device and the way it is packaged. It is pretty standard for these days. The slim box contains a phone, a charging cable, and a SIM ejection tool, which I feel like we won't even see in the future models thanks to eSIMs. In the unboxing video, you can also see the dimensions and front look of the phone. As you can see, the curvature of the display has been toned down quite a bit. The side frames look flat, which give an illusion that it is thicker than the S22 Ultra, but in fact, both the handsets have the same 8.9mm of thickness. The stylus is obviously there, but the software upgrades and features can only be seen once the phone is launched officially. However, I am speculating there are going to be many more leaks, so keep an eye out for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Peace out, guys.